Hello, ladies. So Marissa here. Just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about how to use Pic Monkey or how to create good challenge group picture posts for you guys. So if you're on a computer, I suggest using Pic Monkey. So I'm going to share my screen with you. Maybe. Hold on. Okay. So you can either edit, touch up, design, or make a collage. So we are going to do a design. So as you can see, it's already preloaded. You could do a Facebook cover here, different sizes, or just a square. Square is what fits best into Instagram. If you were to post this through a computer onto your Facebook page, you can save it from your phone and post it on Instagram, since you're not allowed through a square. So we are going to do design. So once you click what size you want and what you want to design, it always pulls up to the canvas color. So you can pick any color you want. My recommendation is something that's bold and bright that'll catch people's attention versus something dark. Unless you are going to do really, really bold writing on it, I avoid trying to use things that are black or dark. So you want to pick your Facebook color or your canvas color, whatever color you decide. Hit apply. Then you can add special effects to it. These little crown things mean that they're the upgraded model, so you can pay to have more. It's just like an app. You can pay to have more stuff available to you. Then there's also like touch-ups. You can only fix the blemish stuff. Then you can add text. Is it going to go? And then it gives you several different fonts to choose from. I try to use ones that are bold, because bold usually isn't an option when you add the text on to make it then bold. So I try to use, you know, big, bright things, big, bright colors. What are we going to create? Let's do this. I'm going to go back, because I don't really have anything to create, but I do have something I could edit. So edit from my computer. So I found a picture online that I really like to explain that you get the 21-day fix on sale. But I like to add my own special touch. So here it is, blank. So you can't change the color of the canvas when you pull up your own picture, because it then just washes everything else out. So what you can do is add overlays to it to make it more fun. So you can add hearts. And then you can add more text. Like I always like to add my email to everything, because I don't like people stealing stuff from me. So this makes it a little bit harder. And it also draws people that are seeing this to my website, which is my blog. So I'll put that down at the bottom. And you can just add little pictures to it. This is very plain. I kind of wish I wouldn't have done a white background, but that's okay too. So the point of all this is you can see it. The words aren't drowned out. You know exactly what this is. It pops out to you. Like I said, I would have rather have done a different color background so that it was a little more stand out. But see how you can read the words? You can see the words, you can read it, you know exactly what this is saying. If you buy this, which is Shakeology, then you're going to get the 21-day fix and everything that comes with it for just $10. So it's really nice when you're doing these kind of things to make sure that you have things that you are visible. You don't want to wash out your words. You don't want to wash out the pictures you're trying to show. You want to make sure that they're visible. So this is a really cool app to use on your computer. On your phone, there's Photofy, which is a good one, and you can add, they have a bunch of preloaded fitness little people that you can add to pictures and make them as big or as small as you'd like. Pic Collage is another good one. Pic Play Post is a good one if you want to do some workout videos and then some of just standstill pictures. And while we're on the topic of this, I want to talk a little bit about your before and after pictures, because your before and after pictures, because all of you are still on your fitness journey, before and after pictures are so essential, simply because they are what shows that you are proof the product works. So you want to make sure that your before and after pictures are clear, plain background, nothing in front of you, nothing around you, that they can see every unfortunate curve, bump, bruise. You want to make sure that you are wearing the exact same outfit in both pictures. This will help with making sure that one outfit isn't bigger or smaller than the other, that that your body is laying the same way, to show that this, it's not photoshopped, it's not edited, it's not because I'm wearing different clothes that it looks like this. It is just simply because I did the work and here are my results. So if you have not taken before pictures yet, I suggest you do so. I suggest you do it on a plain wall background. Like I said, with nothing in front of you. There's plenty of apps. I know I have a self timer on my phone, which I'm sure you guys all do too. So I will set that up on like leaning on something and set the timer to 5 seconds. And then you want to make sure that you're standing with your hands on your hips and your chin straight up. Take several pictures so you can pick which one you like the best. And then you want to do front, back, and sides. That way when you do get your after pictures, you have something to clearly show and represent the program you did, that you're drinking your shakes every day, that you're eating clean, that you know what you're talking about based off of the results that you've gotten for yourself. So that is my fun message of today, and how to create wonderful pictures, whether they're before and after pictures or edited pictures on Pic Monkey, for your posts on Facebook.